You know how everyone tells you to incorporate your startup in Delaware, but nobody really explains why? Well, it's not just hype. Delaware is widely considered the most business-friendly state in the US. Over 1 million businesses have incorporated in Delaware, including 66% of Fortune 500 companies like Google's parent company, Alphabet. Delaware isn't right for everyone. So let's break down what makes it special, when it makes sense, and when you should probably just incorporate your business in your home state. And if you're looking for more helpful startup videos like this, be sure to subscribe. First, what even makes a state business friendly? Business-friendly states like Delaware, Nevada, and Wyoming offer unique advantages for registered businesses. These states provide well-equipped courts with experienced judges who understand corporate law, business-friendly legislation that supports growth instead of restricting it, and lower formation and filing fees that don't drain your early capital. Delaware checks all three boxes. That's not all. The biggest reason investors love Delaware? The Court of Chancery. This court was established in 1792 and exists solely to handle corporate disputes. With a centuries-long history of case rulings by experienced judges, there is a great precedence for almost any legal tangles your startup experiences. That predictability matters when you're raising money. Many VCs expect you to be a Delaware C-corp. It streamlines due diligence and makes structuring preferred equity much easier. Delaware also offers strong privacy protections. You can run a corporation as a single person and your director names don't need to be on formation documents. If you're in a competitive or divisive industry, that discretion can be valuable. Delaware also offers the privilege of choice. The state has several options for your startup for legal representation, legal education, accessibility to obligation fulfillment services, and more. But Delaware isn't perfect for everyone. Let's talk about the downsides. If you're operating in another state, you'll need to register as a foreign corporation there. That means filing paperwork in 2 states, paying 2 sets of fees, and dealing with dual compliance. It's administrative overhead. The franchise tax can also get expensive. For large companies, it can exceed $200,000 annually. Even early-stage startups might pay more than they would in states like Wyoming or Nevada, which charge as little as $50 to $100 per year. And here's the reality. If you're not raising venture capital, most of Delaware's advantages are less relevant. The Court of Chancery and predictable case law are only valuable if you're dealing with complex equity structures and investor relationships. If you're bootstrapping, staying local, or running a small business that won't scale nationally, incorporating in your home state is probably simpler and cheaper. So when does Delaware actually make sense? If you're planning to raise VC funding, Delaware is the default. Investors are set up for it. Their legal teams know it. Choosing another state could slow you down. If you're scaling nationally or internationally, Delaware's legal system gives you flexibility and protection as you grow. And if privacy matters to you, Delaware offers better protections than most states. But if you're running a local business, not raising money, or staying small by choice, your home state is fine. You'll save money and avoid dual filing. Check the description for more detailed guides on incorporation and business formation. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next video.